In this video, I'm going to break down the best ChatGPT side hustle for beginners that virtually anyone can start with just 1 hour per day. This is perfect for beginners of any age at any experience level. Now, don't worry, I'm not just going to be telling you to generate AI content with ChatGPT and then come over and sell it on a site like Fiverr. That's pretty saturated, and even if you sell this AI content for a low price, like $5 or $10, you are probably not going to have the greatest success because that's pretty much what everybody else is doing. Instead, I want to show you a simple system you can set up that's virtually going to spit out money around the clock. And you're going to do that by promoting affiliate offers. And this is a method that can earn you tens of thousands of dollars even as a beginner. So I've got the exact steps right here that you can follow. But before we go any further, comment AI side hustle if you would spend 1 hour per day to add an extra $10,000 or more to your bank account this year. And the best part is all you have to do is click buttons. There's nothing complicated. There's no coding. And if you want to learn how to do all this stuff step by step without the fluff, make sure to join my Make Money with AI school community. I'll leave a link to that in the description, or you can just head to the school website and search Make Money with AI. It should pop right up. But either way, here are the exact steps that you can follow to start earning tens of thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions, promoting virtually anything you want. So step one is to join a referral program for a popular AI software. Now, the cool thing about this is when it comes to software, people pay for it every month. So the first step is you want to join a referral program for a popular AI software that people will pay for every month. And I've made it super easy for you to do that if you head to copythelist.com. So if you head to copythelist.com, you can click one of these green buttons and make a copy of my list of popular AI affiliate programs. These are different AI tools, different software, and different online services that anyone who's running a business online or even starting a side hustle is going to want to use. And the way it works is all you have to do is sign up with your email address to become an affiliate. They'll give you your referral link, and then you share that where interested people will click. So that's how you're going to earn thousands of dollars. Obviously, the more clicks you get on these links, the more sales you make, and the more money you earn. So that's the first step. Then you're going to want to create faceless content promoting your offer and automate it to all platforms. Now, of course, you can get on camera if you want, but a lot of people don't want to get on camera. Most people want to know how to create faceless content that's going to sell products for them, and you can do that using the AI tools from copythelist.com, or you can just do what I do a lot of times, which is just point at your computer screen and film your finger and show people where they can get the AI tools they're looking for. So the tool I use to automate this to all platforms is at automatereels.com. So this is a tool that's going to let you manage all of your social media accounts in one place. So what that's going to let you do is set up an account on Instagram and Facebook and YouTube and TikTok, and basically just click a couple buttons and get your content scheduled to all of those different platforms at once, instead of having to spend a ton of time logging in and logging out of different accounts. So that's step two: create faceless content and then automate it to all platforms. Pretty simple using a tool like the one at automatereels.com. Now, step three is to set up a basic landing page and using pre-made templates. So the tool I use to do that is at funnelsforever.com. Again, pretty simple. All we're doing here is clicking buttons. There's nothing complicated at all. What this tool lets you do is basically create sales funnels, create a series of web pages, as well as automated email sequences that are going to sell these products for you. So here's what the system looks like. Like I said, we're going to start by creating some video content. This can be faceless video generated with AI or just you pointing at your computer screen, something to get people's attention. We're going to automate that content to all of our different social media accounts: Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and any other platforms you want. Then we're going to use these videos to drive traffic to an opt-in page. This is a simple page where someone can enter their email to get updates. So then once they enter their email into this box, now we can send them emails on a daily basis that promote the different products from copythelist.com, right? So there's dozens of different affiliate offers here. All we have to do is become an affiliate for these different tools, and then we start sending out these emails, and we can generate these emails with AI. So check this out. If I come over here to ChatGPT, I started this up here with a prompt basically asking this to write me a 7-day email sequence that promotes an AI video tool that creates AI influencers called oneclickvids.com. Use a direct marketing style, a funny and encouraging tone, and keep each email 5 to 10 sentences long. So now I'm just telling it to write me 7 more, and you see if we scroll down, it's writing these emails faster than I can copy and paste them. So all I have to do is copy and paste them into the tool, the automated email sequence tool at funnelsforever.com, and then suddenly we have these emails going out on a daily basis promoting the affiliate products for us. So all we really had to do to trigger the system is upload one simple faceless video, and then after that the system pretty much runs on autopilot. It gets scheduled to all our accounts. People watch the video, they opt in, they get emails every day, and the products get sold. So that's how you can start earning thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions, basically just by clicking buttons. And the cool thing is, since we're using so much automation, since AI is writing the emails, since automation is posting to our accounts, all we're doing is clicking a few buttons, and we can do all of that in less than an hour per day. So that sums up the system. Like I said, if you want to learn the details about this and you want to do it quickly without all the fluff, then you're going to want to join my Make Money with AI school community. Like I said, there's a link in the description below, or you can just search Make Money with AI on school and it should pop right up. But ultimately, what I'm trying to show you here is how to make money with AI by clicking buttons. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to click the red subscribe button down below so you see more content like this in the future. If you are interested in learning how to make money and start a side hustle or even a full-time gig so that you can quit your job and make money online with AI, I hope you make a ton of money online, and I can't wait to see you in the next Make Money with AI video.